Hi there, it's Grant here. I'm super excited to shoot you this video because today I'm going to show you my two favorite traffic strategies I use to make affiliate sales in only 24 to 48 hours that you can implement as well. Now, one of these strategies is completely free but requires a little bit of work. The other one is you have to put some money in, but the great thing is you can run this traffic strategy at only $5 to $10 a day and make massive profits on that ad spend. So if you're super excited to watch this video, hit that like button and subscribe to get more content like this. Okay, so on with the video. So I've been in affiliate marketing now since March 2020. I've been a media buyer for companies like ClickFunnels, many of the some high ticket, gurus. I've run online businesses, so I've basically been around the block when it comes to driving traffic and making sales online. And I can tell you, as an affiliate marketer, there's two big problems affiliate marketers have. One, finding products to promote, and two, which is the hardest, is driving traffic. Now, finding decent products to promote, in my opinion, is relatively easily because you've got affiliate networks like ClickBank, JVZoo and others. And most decent companies out there have an affiliate program that you can apply to and make money. You can obviously promote digital products, subscriptions, physical products, the list goes on. You've just got to find a product that pays you a decent commission on every sale. And then once you've found your product, then you've got to figure out how to drive traffic. And this is where most people struggle, because most people coming into affiliate marketing, they've got no idea of how to drive traffic because they've never done it before. And driving traffic is a skill. It's a skill you can learn and learn pretty quickly. And that is why I want to shoot this video, because I believe if you implement what I show you, you could potentially start making affiliate sales and income in 24 to 48 hours. Now, are you going to be a millionaire off this traffic strategy? Most likely not. But you can do if you're using this method to promote loads of different affiliate products. But realistically, if you want to, if you're stuck in your job and you're sick of it, or want a side hustle, this traffic strategy could make you anywhere from 100 to 500, maybe even $1,000 a day. And the reason why I can say that is because that is what it does for me, because I run a six-figure affiliate marketing business. So if you're excited, let's get on with the video. So the first traffic strategy I'm going to show you is promoting affiliate products with YouTube. So before you click away from the video and saying, well, you need millions of subscribers, no, you don't. I've only got pretty much 2,500 subscribers on my YouTube channel. But my YouTube channel makes me, a couple of sales, up to 10 sales a day, $100 to $500 to maybe $1,000. I do it. So basically, just very, very quickly, because I'm not going to go deep in this, I just want to show you. So basically, what it revolves around is finding an affiliate product you'd like to promote. And then basically what you do is you do a review of that product. And then what you want to do is rank your video for the product name keyword. So here we go. Here's a product that I promote called One Ticket Trader. So what I do is I do a simple review of a product. Obviously, you've got to own the product or get permission to use it, because obviously otherwise it's not really fair to your users. Always add value to your users and create great reviews. But once you've done that, once you've done your product review, then you want to rank them on YouTube. And it's actually surprisingly simple to do. Basically, what you want to do is you want to rank the product around the brand terms, i.e. the product name. And most likely the product you pick, especially if it's one that's being heavily promoted, you can piggyback off that traffic, because a lot of people are going to be searching for the product in Google and YouTube. So this product's called One Ticket Trader. So what I do is I rank all of my review videos for this product for One Ticket Trader. So what you want to do is just put your keyword, the beginning of your title, and then yeah, just sort of saying I'm giving a a review of it. And then what I do is I weave that keyword in to the description up to 4 to 5 times. Here's the product link, so people can go and buy it. And then what I do is I create a great thumbnail, which you can do really easily on Canva. And then what I do is I put all of my tags in that I want to rank for, the tags of the keywords you want to optimize the video for. And then basically I upload the video. And depending on how competitive the keywords are for the products you're trying to rank for in Google and YouTube, you're going to need 5 to 10 videos. So yes, if people are already bidding on this keyword and they're ranking for it, it can take a little while, for your videos to rank and bring in sales. But if there isn't a lot of competition, you can get your videos ranking in 24 to 48 hours, and those videos can start bringing you in income. This is a very powerful method if you're new to affiliate marketing, and if you haven't got any cash to invest whatsoever, I recommend starting here. Very, very powerful method. Not many people talk about this. I don't see many people doing this. Certainly see no one teaching it. Really, there's only one person I would teach it, and I'll get to that in a minute. Very, very powerful because you don't need loads of subscribers. And if you pick products that haven't got a lot of competition, you can own the front page of Google and start making 1 to 5 sales a day, which can mount up to a lot of money. And let me show you what this looks like in Google. So this is for the product. This is One Ticker Trader, and these. So this is what it looks like. These are all of my videos here. That video there is this video here, and this is the page 1 of Google. I create for each product I promote, so you can see this is let me show you, this is page 1 of Google. Hang on a minute, I can get down because I'm using one hand. Okay, it's not showing me the bottom, but this is page 1 of Google. And this, so once you upload 5 to 10 videos and Google sees you as an authority, they'll put you in something like a carousel. And once you're in something like this, people are looking for reviews of a product they're searching for. They see your videos, they look at your review, and a lot of people will buy. This is a very powerful way to get started with affiliate marketing, and this is one of the core strategies I use to promote affiliate products. Doesn't require any investment apart from a decent microphone and a bit of screen recording software, which you can buy for less than $100. Just open your YouTube channel and start ranking the products for the product name that that you're trying to promote. Very simple, very powerful. So this is method number 1. Very, very powerful. Now, method number 2 is an ad strategy. Does require a little bit of investment, but you can get started with this strategy for $5 to $10 a day, and you can potentially 5 to 10x your returns on that day. So basically, what am I doing? So basically, rather than using videos, here to promote your affiliate products, you're using ad campaigns. So it's a very similar strategy, but you're just paying to be on the front page of Google. So what I'm basically doing here, here's the same product. These are 2 affiliate products that I'm promoting. As you can see, I'm only promoting these at £12 a day. Before I go into it, this is probably the fastest way to make money with affiliate marketing. I don't know of any more powerful and profitable way to promote affiliate products than this. Basically, you've got your affiliate product. You'll need some sort of landing page software, because unfortunately you can't put your affiliate links in the ads because Google won't recognize it. So you need to get a piece of affiliate, landing page software like ClickFunnels or something else. Just create a simple squeeze page between that and the affiliate offer. Get a domain. Put your bridge page as the link in the ad campaign. And basically, what you want to do is for your ad campaigns, you want to bid on the product name tab. So say for One Ticker Trader, Let me just go in here. So yeah, you just bid on the product terms. Very, very simple, but hugely profitable. So there you go. These are the keywords to be on. I'm just doing exact match for the product term. Boom. Yeah, very, very powerful way to make money. So basically all you're doing is using Google, simple little Google search ads to bid on the product terms of the affiliate product you're promoting. And yeah, extremely powerful way. In fact, I don't know of a faster way to make money. And also you can do it on Bing as well. I've got Bing ads. In fact, Bing converts. I generally find Bing ads converts even better. Exactly the same strategy. So these are all of the affiliate products I'm promoting. All I'm doing is I'm just bidding on the product name for all of the products. As you can see, I don't get a whole load of traffic, but this traffic converts really, really well. And you know, these these ad campaigns here can generate me from 2 to 5 sales a day. And with the YouTube account that I have, I can make up to $1,500 to $1,000 a day or more. Now, running campaigns like this, there is a weakness. Unfortunately, now not every affiliate company or not every company that has an affiliate program will allow you to run ads to either their brand or product terms, which is a real bummer, because if they did, I'll be a multi-millionaire. I would say only 50% of product owners or companies allow you to bid on brand terms. So if you can find a really popular product that allows you open reign to bid on their brand terms because they don't want to do it, I'm going to tell you, you're going to make a lot of money, because there is no faster, quicker and easier way to promote affiliate products than what these ad campaigns here. Honestly, if you're on the breadline and you're about to lose everything you've got and you need extra money fast, just run a couple of these campaigns, running $5 to $10 a day to different affiliate products, and you will start making a handful of sales a day. And you could be making $100, $200, $300, $400, $500, $1,000 a day potentially, all within 24 hours. Because these campaigns from launching, you could be making sales the same day. This is very, very powerful. The only problem with this, like I say, is not every company will allow you to do this on their terms. And obviously, this isn't generally very scalable. Unless the product terms you're bidding on have tens of thousands of you, which some do. You know, you only really need to be spending anywhere from $5 to $10, maybe up to $50 a day if it's profitable, maybe $100 if it's absolutely killing it. But in the beginning, I would only really advise launching these campaigns on $5 to $10 a day, maybe go up to $15, see how they convert. And if they convert and they're highly profitable, they are, then you can just basically turn up the ad spend gradually until you can't scale anymore, until it's no longer profitable. So these are the two most powerful methods I know to start promoting affiliate products. Because at the end of the day, when you start affiliate marketing, you've got nothing. You've got no social media, you've got no email list, you've got nothing. But honestly, with these two methods here, you could be bringing income in 24 to 48 hours. Honestly, this is exactly how I run my affiliate marketing business, as you see here. And like I say, these methods you see here bring me in sales day in, day out, week in, week out, month in, month out. Most powerful way, I think, to get started in affiliate marketing. If you know a better way, please tell me down in the comments below, because I just don't know of any other better way to get started with affiliate marketing. Now, if you want, what I will say is, if you want to learn how to start ranking simple little product review videos for your affiliate products, I learned everything I know how to rank products on YouTube or videos on YouTube using a service from Paul Murphy called Affiliate Tube Success Academy. This is an in-depth course that basically shows you from A to Z of how to basically rank product review videos on Google and YouTube and get them in top 1 positions like this. So you can start making loads of affiliate commissions. Very simple, very powerful, great course, one of my favorite courses of all time, and I learned exactly how to do this using Paul Murphy's Affiliate Tube course. I'm going to link to it down below. What I'll do in that link, it takes you to like a pre-recorded webinar that you can watch, and if you like what you watch, you can buy the product. In a full act of honesty and transparency, if you do buy the product, I do get commission, but it just helps me to run the channel and hopefully give you really helpful content. Now, if you want to learn a little more about how to run these simple little ad campaigns for affiliate products, why not drop me a comment below, say, you know, teach me. Just let me know if you want to learn more about this, because this is one of my specialities. When I was working at ClickFunnels, I was managing all of their brand campaigns, which basically gave me the idea to do this, because I realized how much money ClickFunnels was making from all of their search ad campaigns that drive traffic to their products, you know, to their brand terms, and they were making tens of thousands of pounds a week per campaign. And this is what gave me the big idea to do this. So if you want more videos like this, or you know, want me to create something to teach you how to do this, just comment down below, say yes, teach me. And if I get more than say 10 or 20 comments down below asking for more lessons or more teachings about these ad campaigns, I'll think about doing something to help you guys out. Anyway, that's what I've got for you today. Like I say, if you want to learn how to do this, you know, start ranking product review videos on YouTube and Google, I'll leave a link to Paul Murphy's Affiliate Tube Success Academy below, so you can check that out. And yeah, if you like the video, if you want to subscribe to the channel, why not subscribe to get more content like this? Anyway, thanks for joining me. Hope you enjoyed the video, and speak to you soon.